Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix study abroad feedback with SurveyMonkey, full guide step by step clearly. To fix study abroad feedback using SurveyMonkey, begin by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Navigate to the Create Survey section on your dashboard. Select the option to start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Once in the Survey Builder, give your survey a clear title, such as Study Abroad Feedback Survey. Click on the Add Question button to begin designing your survey. Choose the type of question you want to add from the options provided. For example, you might want to use multiple choice questions to gather specific feedback. Input your question and provide answer options that are relevant to your study abroad program. Consider adding open-ended questions for more detailed feedback. Continue adding questions that cover various aspects of the study abroad experience. These could include questions about academic support, cultural integration, and overall satisfaction. As you build your survey, ensure that your questions are clear and concise. Utilize skip logic or branching to create a tailored experience for respondents. This will allow participants to answer only the questions relevant to them. Once all questions are in place, preview your survey to ensure it flows smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. When satisfied with your survey, click on the Collect Responses tab to choose how you want to distribute it. SurveyMonkey offers multiple collection methods, such as email, social media, and embedded links. Select the method that best reaches your target audience. After distributing your survey, monitor the responses in real time through the Analyze Results section. Review the feedback received and look for patterns or recurring themes. This will help you identify strengths and areas for improvement in your study abroad program. Consider sharing the summary of findings with the relevant stakeholders. This ensures everyone involved is aware of the feedback and can work on improvements. Finally, take action based on the feedback to enhance future study abroad experiences. Close the loop by letting participants know how their feedback influenced changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.